Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the best method to verify employer payments on Cash App. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste any time at all on this one. So let's just jump straight into it. Alright, so the best method to verify employer payment on Cash App is to confirm deposits directly within the app and to cross-check them with your payroll records. Always rely on your Cash App balance and transaction history rather than emails or messages that are claiming that a payment was sent. Compare the deposit amount and dates with your pay stubs to ensure accuracy. Enable notifications so that you receive instant confirmation when funds arrive. Now, if a deposit is missing or incorrect, contact your employer payroll department first to confirm processing status before reaching out to Cash App support. Keeping consistent records helps you to quickly identify discrepancies and to solve them efficiently. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.